What's up, Internet? Matt down here at Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams. I'm here with my weekly questionnaire from you, the consumer. A lot of questions we get is towing and fifth wheel hitches and your generic hitch. So all Ram products across the board now come with hitches for the rear. Most come with the plugs as well. There is the option to get the trailer brake controller, etc. When it comes to the 1-ton, obviously if you're going to be looking at a trailer, you're going to be hauling, you're going to want to consider the fifth wheel prep package. So that's going to come with a drop. You're going to have to buy a drop-in hitch, but a lot cheaper at the end of the day than putting rails and putting holes in your box that wasn't there from factory. As far as the size, obviously a lot of customers do overlook. When you are shopping, make sure you do get the gross weight of the trailer and loaded, just so you are buying the proper hitch. So if your trailer is 15K, I probably wouldn't go buy a 15, 16K hitch. I would then consider the 18 to 20K hitch. And I don't think there is a major price difference between the two. So do your homework, make sure you know what you're buying. And then obviously you do some homework on the truck versus your 2,500, 3,500 for your payload and towing. Any questions on that, you guys? 780-942-3629.